As colleges and universities across the country make changes to their COVID-19 game plans, things remain status quo at the University of Kentucky, where another batch of tests came back positive this morning. LEX 18's Michael Burke reports now from the campus. It's today's LEX 18 Big Story at noon.
Wednesday morning's news from the UK campus wasn't great, as 40 new cases of COVID-19 were reported here, bringing the total to more than 200. A picture-perfect morning on the UK campus, but the bright sunshine is placing a blind spot on reality. The spread of COVID-19 has risen to a positivity rate of nearly 2% here, and 229 total cases are now on the books. That number jumps to more than 300 when counting the test results from students who were tested off campus. Students here are masked up and moving between classes, the student union, and the library while doing their part to maintain a good distance. But for how much longer can it continue? Other universities around the country have reversed their course, but folks here are remaining optimistic that things can move along as is.
For now, I'm not really concerned. Most of the people I see here, unless they're running, are wearing masks, even outdoors, when it's not necessarily as required, but definitely indoors, everyone's wearing a mask wherever you go.
It's just difficult, like social interactions are difficult, and you can't hang around in groups.
One mother we spoke with was dropping her son off for class and had an interesting take on COVID on campus. We'll have that for you coming up later tonight on LEX 18. In Lexington, Michael Burke, LEX 18 News.